Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to filter airflow variables in Python. Introduction. Airflow is an open source platform to programmatically author, schedule, and monitor workflows. Variables in Airflow are a way to store and retrieve key value pairs for your workflows. Filtering these variables in Python can be useful when you want to extract specific data from your Airflow variable database. In this tutorial, we will explore how to filter Airflow variables using Python with code examples. Prerequisites. Before you start, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Steps. Step 1. Import required modules. First, you need to import the necessary modules for interacting with Airflow's variables. Step 2. Connect to Airflow's database. Airflow's variables are stored in its metadata database. To access this database, you need to create a session and connect to it. Step 3. Filter Airflow variables. You can filter Airflow variables based on various criteria, such as the variable name, or by a prefix. Here, we'll filter variables that start with a specific prefix. In the code above, we define a function filter_airflow_ variables which takes a prefix as an argument. It queries the database for variables starting with the given prefix, retrieves their key value pairs, and returns them as a dictionary. Step 4. Close the session. After you're done working with Airflow variables, make sure to close the database session to free up resources. That's it. You now know how to filter Airflow variables using Python. Example use case. Imagine you have several Airflow variables storing configuration parameters, and you want to extract all variables related to a specific task or project. By filtering variables based on a common prefix, you can easily obtain the information you need. Remember that this tutorial assumes that you have the necessary database access and permissions to interact with Airflow's metadata database. Make sure you have the required access before attempting to filter Airflow variables. In summary, this tutorial explained how to filter Airflow variables in Python, showing you the steps to connect to the Airflow database, filter variables, and access the information you need for your workflows. ChatGPT.